Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you that how to report a specific post on Instagram, which is pretty simple and easy to do. So before we start, just make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started without wasting any time. And first of all, let's simply open up your Facebook app and then simply search for that specific post which you want to leave. So let's suppose it's that one. What you all have to do is just simply tap at these three dots and tap at report photo. Here just simply select any reason. If you don't have any reason, just simply select anyone like spam and tap at submit and tap done. So that's how you can easily report a specific post on Facebook. So I hope it helps you guys, and if you want a question about the tutorial, just leave in comment section below and I'll be catching you in the next video. Thanks guys, and if you don't, just like and subscribe to my channel. And if you think that this video helped you, then make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will recommend you to check the latest video on the end screen. Goodbye till the next video. Thanks guys.